Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another important topic, that is outsourcing and KPO, knowledge process outsourcing. Now what is outsourcing? The meaning of outsourcing means that some service are obtained from outside organization in order to run the business successfully and also have the benefit of specialization. Means outsourcing, also known as de-integration, farming out, subcontracting in an arrangement where a business obtain product and service from another business or supplier by contract. It is a practice used by different business to reduce the cost by transferring certain portions of work to outside supplier rather than the completing the process internally. For example, manufacturing enterprise contract with the e-business that design develop website to create a user-friendly website about the enterprise manufacturing facilities capability. Many activities have to perform for the successful conduct of a business. These activities include production, buying, selling, arranging, finance, advertisement, correspondence, collecting debt after sale service to the customer, and some of these activities are performed by the business institution itself. There are productions and buying and selling. There are some other activity for which the business institution has to be alternative. First, fulfillment within an organization. Second, fulfillment from the outside the organization. Means the advertisement of the product can be done by the company itself. It can be got done through the advertisement agency in the market also, or their advertising agency in the market which provide advertising service. And there are many other examples of similar service which include courier service, financial construction service, debt collecting service, customer service, etc. Under the outsourcing of service, the business organization gets service from outside. Some companies are established for the providing some special service like the debt collection agency. These agency perform the job of collecting money from the debtor of the different companies. And since the company provide a single service, it acquire specializations in its field. This has positive effect on the quality of the service, and it is the nature of outsourcing to provide the cheap service. Dealing is one kind of service on large scale make cheap service available, and those who get this service from outside in the position to constrain more and their major business. It increase the efficiency of user of their service. Next, knowledge processing outsourcing means KPO. KPO refer to obtaining high-end knowledge work from the outside organization in order to run the business successfully and it cost-effective manner, and it occupy higher end of BPO. Unlike conventional BPO where the focus is on the process experts, in KPO focus is on the knowledge expertise. KPO involves the application of training and expertise to research data analyze and other information based on the activities. In today's competitive environment, focus is to be concentrated on a core specializations area. Outsource the rest of the activities. Many companies have come to realize that by outsourcing the non-core activities, not only costs are minimized and efficiency improved, but the total business improved because the focus are shifted to key growth area of the business activities. The difference between the BPO and KPO is that the BPO include providing the low end service such as customer care and bookkeeping, preparing financial statement for accountant, data entry, call center, maintaining record and information of customer or client. Whereas KPO provide a high end service such as patent filing, financial investment research, market research, and professional expertise in law, according medicines, and biotechnology, etc. BPO mainly focus on service that contain a predetermined process, identify their client, while KPO can include predetermined process but involve application and expertise for understanding, analyzing change and trend affecting the business environment, enabling decision making. Thank you.